Hello, everyone. Welcome back to My English Teacher. I'm Emily, and today we're taking you somewhere fun, a place full of colors, voices, and food smells.
Hey guys, I'm Paul. And yes, we're going to the shopping mall, a place where English comes alive in real life.
That's right. You hear English everywhere, in shops, cafes, and food courts. And today, we'll learn how to speak English naturally in those moments.
So if you love learning English through daily life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps us keep creating these lessons.
All right, let's start with a simple scene. You walk into a big mall on a Saturday. It's bright, people are laughing, music is playing, you smell fresh popcorn and coffee.
You're looking for a new jacket. You see a store called Urban Style. You go in, and a friendly shop assistant smiles.
Let's listen to that conversation.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What color do you like?
I like blue, something casual but warm.
We have some new arrivals over here. Would you like to try one on?
Yes, please. It looks nice.
Perfect. You can try it in the fitting room.
This short conversation uses common shopping phrases. Let's break down a few. Can I help you means do you need assistance? You'll hear this in any store.
And would you like to try it on means do you want to wear it and see how it fits? Easy and polite.
Repeat after us, everyone. Can I help you?
Now, would you like to try it on?
Good job. Remember, confidence comes from repetition. The more you say it, the easier it feels.
Now, imagine you're done shopping and want to pay. The cashier asks, will that be cash or card?
You can answer, card please, or I'll pay in cash. Simple but useful.
Let's make it fun. Emily, let's act it out.
Okay, Paul, you're the cashier.
All right. Hello. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. I'll take this jacket.
Great choice. That'll be $50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Have a great day.
See? Easy and polite. That's how small conversations build your fluency.
And it's okay if you forget a word. Just smile. People will understand your effort.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning. No one speaks perfectly all the time.
When I first spoke English in a shop, I said, I want pay by cash. The woman laughed kindly and said, you can say, I'd like to pay in cash.
That's cute. But see, you remembered it forever because it was real.
Exactly. Real moments teach better than books sometimes.
So let's practice that phrase, everyone. Repeat. I'd like to pay in cash.
Now, say it again, this time with a smile. I'd like to pay in cash.
Beautiful. You're not just learning words, you're learning real-life confidence.
All right, time for some new vocabulary from today's story.
Vocabulary spotlight. Fitting room. A place to try on clothes. Synonym, changing room. Example, the fitting room is on the left. Receipt, a paper showing what you paid for. Synonym, bill. Example, keep your receipt for returns. Cashier, a person who takes your money at the counter. Example, the cashier smiled at me.
Nice. Let's use them in a mini story.
A girl named Crystal goes to the mall. She tries on a red dress in the fitting room. The cashier says, it looks great on you. Crystal smiles, pays by card, and keeps her receipt carefully.
That's how learning feels easy. Small stories, simple phrases, real life. Now, let's talk about confidence again. Paul, do you remember your first English conversation abroad?
Yes, it was in London. I wanted coffee, but I forgot the word sugar. I said, "Can I have white sweet thing?"
They laughed and said, "You mean sugar?" I said, "Yes," and we all laughed together. That moment taught me people don't laugh to hurt you. They laugh with you.
That's so true. When you speak English with courage, even small mistakes become stories that make you grow.
So next time you're in a shopping mall, try speaking. Ask a question. Say thank you. Use one phrase you learned today.
Because done is better than perfect. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. You get ready by doing.
Exactly. The more you speak, the faster your brain adapts.
And don't forget, every hello, every thank you, every how much is this, they all build your fluency.
So let's keep learning together.
Okay, so now you've bought your jacket. You're walking through the mall, and your stomach starts to growl. It's lunchtime.
Yes, the smell of pizza and fried chicken fills the air. You follow it to the food court. So many choices. Burgers, noodles, sandwiches, coffee.
You decide to order lunch. Here's how that conversation usually goes.
Hi, what would you like to order?
I'll have a chicken sandwich and a small Coke, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. How much is it?
That'll be $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your food will be ready in 5 minutes.
So simple, right? These short phrases are the foundation of daily conversation.
Let's look at a few key expressions. I'll have means I want in a polite way.
Right. You can say, I'll have a coffee, I'll have a salad, or I'll have a burger. Repeat after us. I'll have a coffee.
Nice. Now, would you like fries with that? Means they're offering you something extra. You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
And don't forget, how much is it? You'll need that in any store or restaurant.
Exactly. Repeat with us, how much is it?
Great. You're sounding more confident already.
You know, Emily, I once mixed up my words in a cafe. I said, I'll have a coffee without milk with milk.
So, what did you get?
A confused barista. But it taught me something. Speaking English isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Yes, that's what we always say here. Speak first, fix later.
Let's add some new phrases for you to practice.
Vocabulary spotlight. Food court. An area in a mall with many restaurants. Example. Let's meet at the food court.
Barista. A person who makes coffee. Example. The barista made a heart on my latte. Take away. Food you take to eat somewhere else. Synonym, to go. Example. Can I get this as a takeaway?
Let's turn that into a short story.
A man named Jesse visits a food court. He says, "Can I get a burger and a Coke?" The barista smiles and asks, "For here or takeaway?" Jesse answers, "Takeaway, please."
Perfect. Real English from real life.
Now let's talk about something small but important. Body language.
Ah, yes. When you smile, nod, and use your hands, people understand you better.
When you order food, make eye contact and say thank you. It shows kindness.
Right. Words matter, but your tone and expression speak even louder.
Exactly. So here's a small practice for you. Everyone listening, repeat this with feeling. Thank you so much.
Now with a warm tone. That looks delicious.
Great job. You see, English isn't just grammar. It's emotion, energy, and rhythm.
Yes, And when you practice like this, your English becomes alive, not robotic.
You know, one of our students, Hannah, was so shy at first. She couldn't even order a drink in English.
Oh, yes, I remember Hannah. She said she always froze when someone asked, "What would you like?"
Right. But after 1 month of practice, she went to a cafe alone. She confidently ordered, "Hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please." And she texted us later, "I did it." That's what progress feels like. Small, but powerful.
So, if you ever feel nervous speaking English, remember Hannah's story. One sentence can change how you feel about yourself.
Yes, learning English is not just learning words. It's learning courage.
And courage grows every time you try, even if your voice shakes.
Let's help everyone practice with some many questions, shall we?
Sure. Everyone, answer out loud or in your mind. What's your favorite thing to order at the mall?
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Would you like fries with that?
Good one. Practice these questions with a friend. It's fun and natural.
All right, before we move to our next part, let's do a quick review.
We learned how to order food, pay politely, and thank people warmly.
We learned new words: fitting room, receipt, cashier, food court, barista, and takeaway.
And we learned something bigger, that confidence is built through practice, not perfection.
Exactly. You don't have to wait until you're fluent to speak. Speaking is how you become fluent.
And the shopping mall is one of the best places to practice because it's full of daily life English.
Yes, from ordering coffee to asking for your size, every moment can teach you something new.
So keep walking, keep listening, and keep speaking.
All right, in the next part, we'll go to a different store, one that tests your English even more.
Oh, you mean the electronics shop, right?
Exactly. When things get more specific, your English needs more precision.
This will be fun and super useful.
All right, now we've had lunch and we're feeling good. Let's explore one more place, the electronics store.
Yes, bright lights, soft music, and shelves full of headphones, phones, and tablets. You walk in, a shop assistant greets you with a big smile.
Let's listen to this conversation.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new pair of headphones.
Sure. Do you want wireless or wired?
Wireless, please. Do you have something with noise cancellation?
Yes, we do. This one is very popular. It has great sound quality and long battery life.
Nice. How much is it?
It's $90, but it's on sale today for $70.
That's great. I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you like a bag for it?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
This short talk includes some useful everyday phrases again. I'm looking for is perfect when you want to ask for something.
Exactly. You can say, I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for shoes. Or I'm looking for a charger.
And do you have is another must-know phrase. You can use it for anything.
For example, do you have this in red? Or do you have a larger size?
Good. Now, repeat these two phrases after us. I'm looking for.
And do you have?
Perfect. These two questions alone can help you in 80% of shopping situations.
Let's add one more phrase. I'll take it. That means you want to buy it.
Yes, instead of saying, I want this, you can say, I'll take it. It sounds polite and natural.
You see, English doesn't need to be complicated. A few phrases can carry you far.
Vocabulary spotlight. Wireless, without cables. Example, these wireless earbuds connect to my phone.
Noise cancellation. a feature that blocks outside sounds. Example, I use noise cancellation on airplanes.
Battery life. How long your device works before charging. Example, the battery life lasts for 10 hours.
Very useful. Technology words are part of daily English now.
You know, Paul, I once went to buy headphones abroad. I said, I want something that kills noise. The seller looked shocked.
Oh no, you meant noise cancellation, right?
Yes, that's why learning the right phrase matters. English can be funny sometimes.
True, but mistakes like that make great memories. You'll never forget noise cancellation again.
Exactly. Mistakes don't stop your progress. They shape it.
You know, Emily, I think the shopping mall is one of the best classrooms in the world.
I agree. You can practice real English everywhere. When you ask for help, when you buy something, or even when you say thank you.
Right. Let's give our listeners a few challenge sentences to try next time they go shopping.
Good idea. Repeat after us. Hi, I'm just looking. Thank you.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
How much is this one?
I'll take it, please.
Great job. Those phrases will help you sound confident and friendly anywhere in the world.
And remember, even if your accent is different, that's beautiful. It means your English has personality.
Yes, your accent is your story, not your mistake.
Learning English is not about sounding perfect, it's about connecting with people.
Exactly. And the shopping mall is full of people. Each moment can be a chance to connect.
Let's imagine your next visit. You walk through the mall, holding your new jacket, your favorite drink in hand. Someone says, "Hey, nice jacket," and you smile back and say, "Thank you."
In that small exchange, your English lives. It's real. It's alive.
And it grows every time you use it, no matter how small the moment feels.
Even if you remember just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Yes, keep practicing, keep speaking. One sentence at a time, you're building a new version of yourself.
So next time you visit a shopping mall, don't just shop. Speak, ask, smile, learn.
Because every hello, every thank you, every can I help you brings you one step closer to fluency.
You're doing amazing, and we're so proud of you.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to Miss English channel, like this video, and comment one phrase you'll use today.
Yes, write it below. Maybe I'll take it. Or how much is it? We'll read them all.
Remember, the best way to learn English is to live it.
And every time you speak, you shine a little brighter.
So go out there, have fun, and keep learning English at the shopping mall and everywhere else.
See you next time on My English Teacher.
Bye, everyone, and happy shopping!